I'm not a doctor. I'm not giving advice. I'm just sharing how I approach injuries, because we know in our profession, in our field, we get injured. We perform like athletes, even if it's not a sport. So I'm repairing myself from an injury. And in my experience, if I can do the press, that's how I like to test my injuries. So while it's healing, because I think a big part of it is just our mind and the emotions and what we think about it. And so it's like, oh, I'm hurt, or my shoulders hurt, and so I use the kettlebells when I have certain kinds of injury. You get sometimes in jiu-jitsu, elbows, shoulders, things like that. I'm feeling the weight, and I'm feeling how my body reacts, and that tells me, okay, it's because a few weeks ago I couldn't use more than a 10 kilogram, or I could feel it. Okay, now I can go a little heavier. So anyway, that's just to share a little bit about how I approach it, because I do believe the body is we're self-healing mechanisms. We have within us the capacity, but knowledge is power, and we need to have the correct information. And a lot of people are like, oh, I'm hurt, so now what? You're gonna live the rest of your life with the injury, or they give up. I think they give up. A lot of people give up too easily, or they're getting not the care that they need. So we have to learn how to care for ourselves. That's basically what I want to share with you guys. And that's just an example. Now, if I had a ruptured spleen, I would see a medical doctor. I wouldn't try to fix it myself. Okay, so it's all context. But with sports injuries, if you go slow, you can start to repair yourself. Let's do one more set, okay, with the heavier. This will be our last set. So use the weight. That's gonna be a good challenge for you.